Hello, little bee. It's time to get cozy. Find your favorite sleeping position. Pull your blanket up nice and snuggle. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Good. Tonight, we're going on a quiet adventure. Not a big adventure, not a noisy adventure, just a sleepy little journey through the Moonlit Meadow. Close your eyes and imagine this with me. The sky above is dark blue. Tiny stars sparkle overhead like little lanterns. A round silver moon hangs high above the meadow. Its soft light stretches across the grass like a glowing path. You begin walking slowly. The grass sways gently around your feet. The air feels cool and peaceful. Nothing needs to be hurried. Nothing needs to be done. You simply walk, step by step. The moonlight shines softly on the path ahead. As you walk, you hear crickets singing their bedtime song. Chirp, chirp, chirp. The sound feels calm and steady, like the meadow is whispering, "It's time to rest." You take another slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Good. A little rabbit appears beside the path. She gives you a friendly nod. Then she hops away through the grass. You smile. The meadow is full of quiet friends tonight. A little farther ahead, you notice glowing fireflies. They blink gently in the darkness. 1, then 2, then 3. Tiny golden lights floating through the air. They drift around you like sleepy stars. You watch them dance, slowly, quietly, peacefully. Your shoulders begin to relax. Your arms feel heavy. Your legs feel comfortable. Your whole body feels safe. The moon continues shining above you. Its lights feel warm even though the night is cool. Almost like the moon is wrapping a soft blanket around the meadow. You find a small hill and sit down. From here, you can see the entire meadow below. The grass glows silver. The fireflies twinkle. The stars sparkle above. Everything feels calm. Everything feels still. You take another deep breath in and out. Very good. You stay here for a while, watching, listening, resting. Soon your eyelids begin to feel heavy, very heavy, sleepy and relaxed. The fireflies drift further away. The cricket song grows softer. The moonlight becomes gentle and dreamy. The meadow seems to whisper, "Good night." The stars whisper, "Good night." The moon whispers, "Good night." And now it is time for you to rest too. Your body is relaxed. Your mind is calm. You are safe. You are cozy. You are ready for sleep. Good night, little bee. Sweet dreams.